Hey, how's it going? So this week I want to show you how to build a voting system within Notion using a Notion database. So it's really a pretty simple setup here. And let me just show you quickly how it would work. So say my team and I are brainstorming some new ideas and we want everybody to contribute and vote on which idea they would like to do first. I've set up this database here where I can go in, say, yeah, I like that idea, or you know what, I like that idea too. So you would have seen two things happen. You would have seen one, my name pop up in this column where we can see who voted for what, as well as a new tally be added to this column here, which is tallying up all of the votes per idea. So really a simple setup here. Little context, if you duplicate the template, you will have these columns already made, but this column is a formula column, which is looking to see who has voted for what and essentially counting that up. And then this column here is a simple person column, which is just there to collect who voted for what idea. But really the special part of this is this column here, which is the upvote button. So I've got one started over here. Let me go ahead and start from the beginning though. So what we'll want to do is add a button property to our database, then go in and begin to edit the property settings, and we'll specifically work on the the automation associated to the button. So we'll select to create a new action. We'll decide to edit the property. We'll choose the property upvoted by, and what we want to have happen is whoever clicks this button, we want them to be associated to the upvoted by column. We will swap this to add because, for example, we don't want everybody to be removed that previously voted when the new person votes. We just want that new person to be added in with the rest of the folks that voted. So we would select the specific sub action, if you will, of add. So it should look like upvoted by column. We'll add whoever clicked this button. Pretty simple. We'll save that. And you can rename this as well to whatever you'd like. You can see right here, it's named upvote button. And you can also adjust what the text is of your specific button by doing so here. So we could say upvote button. Pretty simple. Let's go ahead and test it out. Bada bang, there we go. So you can now see it went from 5 to 6 and it added my name to the upvoted by column. So that's how to create a very simple voting system in Notion. Hope you enjoy it, and I'll come with something pretty cool as well next week. See you then. Cheers.